A very good morning, dear friends. I welcome you all in the channel Zero to Infinity. This is a journey with Prabhu Darby. My dear friends, this is our episode number 60 that will be dedicated to the healthy body, and it is covering the holistic body healing series for the world. Dear friends, this is our legal disclaimer. If you haven't read it, kindly read it once. Thank you very much, dear friends, for your kind affection and the suggestions. Hope you have read the legal disclaimer and enjoyed the episodes and the playlist on the Corona or the COVID-19 series, and also working on its free of cost yet very powerful logical techniques for your own benefit. Dear friends, welcome in the holistic body healing series. Welcome in a new world. These are the summary of the concept which I have covered in the previous episodes, like H1, H2, H3, etc. You can revise it. Episode number 46. And it will be very much better that you revise it so that you can enjoy this particular episode. I believe once our concepts are very clear, then we can apply it in the many manners, in the thousands of the manner. But the concept must to be thoroughly understood. Episode number 58. And our episode number 59, that was our last episode. Let us revise it in the very quickly manner, although we will not touch 100% because that was a 1.5 hour episode. We will hardly touch these concepts in the 5 to 6 minutes only. Dear friends, the concept number H21 is awakening of the infinity energy is possible. What is the energy? The energy by which I am talking to you, energy by which I am thinking. That is called energy. And the energy you can name anything, just like the power, body electricity, chi energy, stem energy, life energy, etc. Anything you can call. The awakening of the infinity energy is possible. Yes, this is a guarantee from the ancient civilization. This is a guarantee from the Almighty God. And awakening of the infinity energy is possible if you can able to control that energy. Dear friends, as your vehicle can drive up to the speed of the 200 or 220 kilometers per hour, but what is your normal or actual speed? It is normally 60 to 100 only, after which control may or may not be there on the vehicle. So dear friends, if you can able to control that particular energy, then only you should awaken your energies. Dear friends, law of the action and the reaction is inevitable. More quantum of the energy, this means the more chances of doing good. And the more quantum of the energy, this means more chances of doing bad or the evil also. And whatever is the reason, no nation, no society, no Almighty God, no Messiah, no Christ will save you if you are doing the bad. That's why kindly take the responsibility of your own actions. That's why law of action and the reaction is inevitable. Concept H22 is all types of the energies are only one, single one. Whether it is generated from any of the method, just like electricity is same, whether you generate from thermal energy or solar or wind or nuclear or by any means, electricity is only one. Similarly, energies are always one. Concept H23 is there are many ways to generate or awaken the power or the energies. Energy generation from the consumption of healthy food, just like we are taking the healthy food like herb, vegetables, fruits, etc. Through medicines, allopathy of some kind of the medicines, ancient sciences like Ayurveda has something, homeopathy of some immunity boosters. It can be also awakened through mantra or the holy words of the Torah, holy words of the Holy Quran, holy words of the Gita, Srimad Bhagavad Gita, holy words of the Om Mani Padme Hum. There are many infinity mantras are there, infinity holy words are there. If you chant or listen, then certainly the energy will generate in you. you can experience it. Dear friends, one of the methods to generate the energy through yoga. This is the technique from the Indian civilization. This is the technique from the ancient civilization. By the help of the yoga also, you can awake your own energy. It can be generated through meditation. The deeper will be the meditation, more will be the energy burst. More deep will be the meditation, more burst of the energy will be there in your own body, for your own self. Dear friends, the energy can be generated through devotion. Devotion to Almighty, devotion to Allah, devotion to a statue of the God, devotion to the spiritual awakened persons. That is called as a guru in the terms of the India. So dear friends, more will be the devotion, more purity of the heart will be there, and more will be the energy. It can be generated through some of the act given by the spiritual awakened persons. It is just like the initiation type. Normally the Sufi gurus are there, Christianity gurus are there. You will belong to any of the religion, but I can guaranteed I can say that you have experienced something, some gift from your own religion. Whatever is your religion, you may be Jew, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, or pagan religion. You may be of the anyone, but the rules are everywhere same. The devotion will be the more are the chances to get the energies from that particular God, Almighty, Allah, Noor, etc. So dear friend, this concept S23 is very important. I will many times refer it in my future episodes of this health concept. Dear friends, although there are many methods which we have discussed, but still there is one best method to generate the energy, which is namely as bellow breathing or the rapid forceful breathing. This is also called as Bhastrika Pranayam. By bellow breathing, the root chakra is getting activated. And what is the root chakra? The root chakra is one of the 7 primary chakras of the human body, of our human existence. It is the source of infinity energy. Repeating, the root chakra is the source of infinity energy. Hence, bellow breathing just like energy generation from direct source of. It is just like you are purchasing something from the factory outlet in the field of the retailer. That's why bellow breathing or rapid forceful breathing or the Bhastrika Pranayam is very much important to generate the energy. Dear friends, the concept number S24 is bellow breathing. What is the meaning of the bellow breathing? Close both of the eyes, do the rapid forceful inhalation and the rapid forceful exhalation of the breath. We have to take the breath, we have to leave the breath from both the nostrils. And what is the reason? Let us understand that I have clearly mentioned you that we are making logical techniques. Then certainly there should be some kind of the logic. Why I have mentioned of the closed eye, why I have mentioned for the both nostrils, etc. Let us see it. Closed eyes, this is for the energy conservation. Open eyes consumes a huge and the lot of amount of the energies, and energy is very precious. That's why we have to conserve it. Closed eyes is for energy conservation from both the nostrils. This means taking both type of the energies. And what are the both type of the energies? I have clearly mentioned in my previous episodes and the previous concept that some kind of the 2 type of the main energies are there. Yin, yang, you can say. Masculine, feminine, you can say. Sun, moon, you can say, etc. You can refer the episode number 46. By taking breath from both the nostrils, this means taking both type of the energies in the perfectly balanced manner. This means I am doing energy balance while breathing movement itself. That's why it is very important. Rapid forceful inhalation of the breath. The more rapid breathing speed will be there, the more will be the quantum of the energy generation. more rapid breathing speed will be there, more fast I will take my breath, more will be the quantum of the energy generation. Rapid forceful acceleration of the breath. The speed of the acceleration should be greater than speed of inhalation. Kindly concentrate on the acceleration itself. Kindly concentrate on leaving of the breath only. The inhalation will be taken care by body automatically. You do not have to think about it. Just leave your breath as much fast as you can do, and rest of the thing will be taken care by body automatically, and that is called as a Bhastrika Pranayam or value breathing. Dear friends, this is a very good method to generate the energy. This is the very good method to feel the burst of the energies. Concept number S25 is energy generation must to be done as per self energy handling capacity and requirements. Dear friends, as with energy, journey from minus infinity to plus infinity is possible. Possibility of highest heaven to last hell is there. Every possibility can be harnessed with these energies. Although the choice is completely individual, whether you want to go towards highest heaven or whether you want to go towards last hell. I know that I am saying very bitter truths, but whatever is actual truth, I have to tell only that thing only. Dear friends, concept number S26 is there are many methods to balance the energies. No method with the today's medical science at all. The today's medical science, the allopathy do not have any kind of the pill. They do not have any kind of the injections or CT scan or XYZ because they are unaware of this dimension. Allopathy do not know that whether there are the two types of the energies are there or not, or if it do not know about it, then why to balance it? But yes, ancient civilization know about it. There are two types of the energies, and we have to balance it so that we can heal ourselves, so that we can get rid of the diseases of our body and the mind. Dear friends, the concept number S27 is there are many methods to balance the energy. There are many methods for the energy balancing. Through yoga, you can do. This is an ancient Indian techniques. This is recommended by us. Two methods are there: ocean breathing or the Ujjayi breathing. Second method is alternate nostril breathing. This is called as Anulom Vilom Pranayam. And dear friends, this is the time of the Google and the YouTube. Kindly pause this. If you do not know how to do the Anulom Vilom Pranayam or how to do the Ujjayi Pranayam or the Ujjayi breathing, kindly refer the YouTube and the Google. There are many many videos which can help you that how to do the Ujjayi Pranayam or the Ujjayi breathing so that your own energy can be balanced. Dear friends, the energy balancing can be done through meditation also. The deeper the meditative state will be there, the more will be the energy balance will be there. It can also be balanced through devotion. More the devotion will be there, more the purity of the heart will be there, more will be the energy balance. And this is the 101% truth. Concept S28 is the direction of the energy can be guided and controlled by the energy laws. If you have the energy, you have generated the energy, you have balanced the energy, then what to do with that energy? We have to direct it so that we can use this energy for the better body, for the better methodologies to use this energy. That's why how to give the direction. The direction of the energy can be guided and controlled by energy locks. Energy lock techniques. This is called as a Tribandha. Tribandha in the human body. In the human body, you can do the method of the energy locks. Energy lock techniques is very necessary to utilize each and every drop of the very precious energy. Mainly, energy locks are of three types mainly. Root lock or the Mula Bandha, chin lock, we have to lock our chin. This is called as a Jalandhar Bandha. Third one is the navel lock. This is called as a Uddiyan Bandha. Kindly use the Google or the YouTube to learn it. And it is very well defined by many of my friends who have contributed their best for the YouTube videos. And I salute all the persons. Concept S29 is controlling the direction of the energy is also possible through body energy locks, and this is very good and very better for the normal man or the common man, because body is visible. That's why controlling will be very easy by the energy locks. Energy direction control through hardware. Hardware means my body. This is a absolute mechanical control. Concept number H30 is controlling the direction of the energy through mere energy feeling. If I deeply energy feel, then certainly I can control my direction of the energies also. This is the comparatively better method for the very special humans, and you may be the one of them. Although emotions are not very much visible, still control through feeling is very much better, very effective and very efficient. This is just like energy direction control through software, or the dynamic control is also possible through feeling. This is the absolute electrical control, and very smooth control may be there. This means you have both the methods, energy direction through energy locks and energy direction through your own feelings. Dear friends, the concept H31 is, however, a perfect person, a holistic person will use both the hardware and the software for the energy direction control. This means he will control direction of the energy through both energy locks of the body and the energy feelings. After all, both the hardware, this means the body, and the software, this means the human emotions, are our own assets. Dear friends, we have summarized our concepts of the previous episodes of this particular series. We especially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques described in the channel Zero to Infinity. Let's start the journey towards healthy body. Dear friends, this is our, in nutshell, we can pictographically say, this is the healing method given by our channel Zero to Infinity. What is the requirement? Clean energy, high energy and the balance energy. We have talked about energy generation methods, we have talked about energy balancing methods, we have talked how to control the direction of the energy. If we focus and concentrate on the energy, if we deeply feel it, and if we do or die practice, then certainly the healthy body is our right. Although whether we do it or not do it, it is completely individual choice. Dear friends, let's start this episode. What is the disease or the sickness? As per today's medical science, if a limb or organ or any of the body part, if it is malfunctioning, if it is not doing the correct work which is whatever is the work of that particular limb, if it is not functioning it properly, malfunctioning, this means I have the disease, I have the sickness. First. Second, if I have the less body resistance, meaning of the less body resistance, I have the less immunity, less white blood cell, etc. This also means I am very sick and I have some kind of the diseases. The third one is external attack. Attack is of anything, like bacteria can attack, virus can attack, just like the corona or the COVID-19. Now it is the COVID-21 also, or future diseases, future virus which our mankind want to release for the mankind. It may be possible. So dear friends, as per the today's medical science, disease means malfunctioning of the any limb or less immunity or the attack by the virus or attack by the bacteria. That's it. What is the disease or the sickness as per the spiritual science? This is a very big question, because finally our channel Zero to Infinity is dedicated to the spiritual science, and this spiritual science will be used in many hundreds or the many thousand applications, and health is just one of the peanut. So dear friends, meaning of the disease or the meaning of the sickness as per the spiritual science. First, less energy. If you have the less quantum of the energy, if your mobile is very less charge, if your body is very less charge, this means you are sick, you are prone to sick. First. Second, if you have the impure energy, if you love the dark things, dark not in the complexion, not at all, I am against of the racism, but if your act are very black, if you like that 7 deadly sin, or if you are doing the gunah as per the Allah, if you are doing the sins, if you are doing the pap as per the Hinduism, this means you have the impure energy, you have the darker aura, you have the more black energy, you have the more intention toward the black energy. This means you are prone to diseases, you are prone to sickness. Third one is, the person is not completely situated in the true self or the layer L7. This means it will be called as a unhealthy. And dear friends, third one kindly beg to me, because this is very well narrated in the concept series of our our channel. If a person is completely on the L7 or the soul, which is our true self, then the person will never get any kind of the disease. But for the today's level of you, it will be better that kindly leave the third one. Although I have to make a holistic episode, that's why I have to cover each and every aspect of my saying. So dear friends, if you have the less energy or the impure energy, then certainly you are prone to disease, you will be get disease. And dear friends, the same thing in the different manner. If you have the less energy, impure energy, and the imbalance in the energy in a particular organ, repeating, less energy in a particular organ, impure energy in a particular organ, imbalance of the energy in a particular organ, this means disease or the sickness in that particular organ. I am talking about the localization of the concept here. If my eyes do not have the less energy, I am using the spectacles. If I have impure energy, my eyes may be deteriorating in the nature, it may be the feel sick. If I do not have the balance of the energy in my eyes, this means I may be some kind of the disease or the sickness in this eyes. That's why I can and just feel about it. This generalized concept can be thought in many manners. Just like less energy in my hand, I have the problem with the hand. Less energy is my nerve circuit, I have the problem in the nerve related diseases, and so on and so forth. If you have the less energy, impure energy, and the imbalance in the energy in a particular limb of your own body, that particular body part will be get diseases, will be prone to disease. Dear friends, then what is the cure of it? More will be the energy, more white will be the energy, more balance in the energy will be there. This means more body resistance in our human body will be there, more body immunity will be there in our own human body. This means we have to work for the more energy, pure and the white energy, and the balance of the energy. Rest all the things like immunity, removal of the disease will be taken care by itself. Dear friends, if body is getting defended by more energy, this means external attack of the bacteria or virus will not easily successful on our body. If we have very high level of the energy, if we have very high balance of the energy, if we have good quantum of the white energy in us, this means we will be more defended by that particular energy, that stem energy, that body energy, that life energy. Dear friends, that's why if you want to get rid of the diseases or the sickness, then certainly we have to focus to get the energy, focus to get the balance in the energy. And dear friends, what is the meaning of the small disease or big diseases? The meaning of the small disease or local disease or the temporary disease, it means you have the less energy, less imbalance in the energy, and less impurity in the energy. Clear? Small diseases, I have a small pimple in my face. It is a very small problem, not a very big problem. This means only minor energy is required to get rid of it. If I have a local problem only, like my lungs are not working well, it's a small one part of our body. This means I have to concentrate my energy on only my limbs, only lungs. It's a small task, not a very big task. Local disease, temporary disease, just like a pimple. It is a temporary, it's not a full time, hardly for the 3 or 4 or 2 days only. This means you have the energy is less, but that can be manageable. Imbalance in the energy is also there, but that can be managed, no problem at all. Impurity in the energy is there, but that can be taken care, not a very big deal at all. But if you have the big diseases, whole body diseases or the long time diseases, this means you have the extremely less energy, you have the high imbalance in the energy, and you have the high impurity in the energy. What is the meaning of it? Let's discuss it. Big diseases, this means you have the cancer, lung cancer, limb cancer, corona, which is spreading like hell in the complete world. This kind of the big diseases may be there. Whole body diseases, just like you may have a particular allergy in you. That's why it is impacting complete body. This means it required very great quantum of the energy to heal it. Long time diseases, if you may suffering by last 10, 15, 20 years, it may be possible. It may be chronic disease. This means if you have the big disease, whole body disease or the long time disease, this indicates that you have extremely less energy. You have extremely high imbalance in the energy. You have the very high impurity in the energy. So dear friends, we have to take care of it. This in the common man world, I can say this person have 60% his mobile charged, but this person have only the 15% charged body. It required 85% charging to get completely charged. This required only the 15 and the 25%, only small charge to get completely charged. That's why dear friends, we have talked about quantum of the energy, we have talked about small disease and the big diseases. Dear friends, now a very big question comes in front of us, whether we want to see the power of energy healing, or I am just talking rubbish or just talking in the airs, whether my methods are logical or not. Let us prove it. If you want to see the power of energy healing, let us see, because the common man do not have very high level of the energies, that's why let us talk about the superhumans. Energy healing, the level of the superhumans, a common man do not have very good quantum of the energies. And second, we will see the energy healing, this is the level of the nature, that starfish limb generation, if we want energy healing, the level of the superhumans. Dear friends, kindly see a video that how energy can heal our body, energy can heal our cuts in the fraction of the minutes. The cut is very deep, but still in the fraction of the minutes, a person, a superhuman, a person with the very great quantum of the energy can heal himself. Kindly wait and watch, then only you can understand that what I want to say. Dear friends, you have seen the energy healing in the humans only through video number 1. Now, energy healing capacity in the nature. Dear friends, we are just a part of the nature. Animal, flora, fauna, deity, human, God, all the same thing, same energies are there. Only the quantum of the energy, purity of the energy, balance in the energy is only different in the entities which I have told. That's why what is the power of energy healing, what is the level of the nature, let us see. If a starfish, one limb of it get cuts, then certainly after some days it can able to grow its own limb. It is just like if someone is cutting my left hand, then I am able to rise second left hand in myself. The nature has such capacity. It is possible in some of the species, some of the creatures, and the life energy is very same, stem energy is very same, guarantee short 100%. The second example is, as you see that in the lizard, many of the persons are getting threatened through the lizard, but you know one peculiarity in the lizard, if you cut their tail, then certainly after some days, after some weeks, that particular tail is it can once again grow. This means complete limb can be generated by the stem energy, complete limb can be generated by the body electricity. Although the human is not up to that level, but one thing very sure, this level can be get attained. We cannot fight with the starfish, we cannot fight with the lizard, but this level can be achieved by all the humans. And dear friends, kindly see the video number 2, energy healing power given by the mother nature, starfish limb generation. Kindly wait and watch, then only proceed. My dear friends, I believe that you have seen both of the videos so that you are able to understand it in the very better manner, because one picture summarizes thousands of the word, one animation says million of the word, and the one video summarizes billions of the words. That cannot be told in just 4 or 5 words. That's why kindly refer the video 1 and video 2 and feel it, that what is the greatness of the nature is there. Dear friends, now a big question arises in front of us. How to measure the disease or the unhealthy organ? Certainly, if I have the disease, then I have to measure that disease. What is the quantum of that particular disease level? I have to see it. As per the science, if I want to measure any kind of the unhealthiness or any kind of the disease, then what I am using? Stethoscope, I am using it. Thermometer, I am using. Oximeter, pulse meter, CT scan, MRI, ECG. There are many of the methods with the science to measure the disease or to measure the unhealthy organs. And this is the level of today itself, like MRI, CT scan, etc., etc. But in the future also, many of the technologies will help the medical science or the allopathy. There are many technological advancement will become in the near future thanks to engineers working with the doctors, just like virtual reality will come with the allopathy, artificial intelligence will come with the allopathy, medical robotics will come with the allopathy or the today's medical science. And I thank to myself, I thank to all the electrical engineers, I thank to all the engineers working with the doctors. So dear friends, measurement is possible and this is available to the common man, common people, normal human, because science has spread till common man or the normal human. That's why CT scan can be taken by any of the person, any of the human. MRI can be taken from any of the human. This is the reason that science is affecting every human body very much. And my dream is, my vision is, the spirituality should be available with all of the normal men, all of the common humans, so that everybody can get the ripened fruit of the spirituality and can enrich himself or herself. Dear friends, we have discussed how our science is dealing with the measurement of the disease or measurement of the unhealthy organs. Let us see what are the methods available with the spirituality. First, self-measurement is possible. Very simple. Self-measurement of the disease is possible. I know about my own energy level. I may be of very jolly nature. I may be getting the burst of the energy. I may be in the depression manner. I may be of the very less or the depressed energy level. It may be there. This means I know about myself whether my energy level is high or low. First thing. And what is the method? If I am feeling lighter mood, this means I have the comparatively less black energy at that particular moment. Dear friends, the science of the energy is very tough. It cannot always be described in the words. That's why kindly try to understand my feeling. If my energy level is low, I can able to understand myself whether I am feeling light or feeling depressed. This means the quantum of the energy, the quality of the energy and the balance of the energy about myself can be known by me. Second method, self-measurement is also possible. Our own energy purity level or the aura level. Many of my friends of the world, and dear friends, I do not know whether you are from Africa or Israel or from the USA, a good scientist or a person from the just bachelor degree. I do not know who are you, but I know only one thing. You have the human body, you are my friend. That's all. I love humanity and you are my friend. And I am helping, I want to try to help you so that your life can be enriched by the spiritual science, by the spirituality, by the ancient civilizations. Dear friends, the self measurement is possible. Our own energy purity level can be measured. Our own aura level can be measured. First thing, darker will be the aura. Darker will be the aura. This means if I have the black aura or the dark blue aura, this means I have the impure and the unclean energy. Possibilities of the more disease. If person have the darker aura, darker energies, black energies, satanic or the devil energies, this means he have the possibility of more diseases. And if someone have the lighter energy aura, this means red aura, yellow aura or the white aura, this means he have the more pure energy, more clean energy, more godly type of the energy, more positivity he have. And this is the complete symbol of the possibility of the healthiness. If a person have lighter aura, this means he will remain healthy, he will be get rid of the sickness or the disease. And if someone have the darker aura, this means he have the impure energy and the possibility of the disease or the possibility of the sickness will be more and more in him or her. Kindly refer the aura theory of the playlist concept series for the world. And I feel very sorry, I have completed it for the India in the Hindi language, but till now I haven't covered it for the world. I feel very sorry, I am running behind my schedule, but I will catch my speed in some of the month. Dear friends, as per the genuine, although I will not cover very much deeply this particular concept, in the Jain religion, this is the one of the religion in the India. Lord Mahavira was the forefather or the initiator of this Jainism, and he has told about the Shadleshya Siddhant. This means the 6 type of the auras he have talked about, 6 type of the auras. And just like what is the meaning of the black aura, what is the nature of that person, what is the meaning of the dark blue or the light blue person, and what is the manners of that particular human. If a person have the red aura, then what is the level of that human. If someone have the golden or the yellow or white aura, then what will be the level of that person. He have clearly defined it in a very beautiful manner, that is called a Shadayatan Siddhant. 6 type of the aura as per the Jainism. And if you are very much hungry of the knowledge, then you can refer to the Google or YouTube to learn it, to at least understand it. What are the different 6 type of the auras, and what are the manners or the level of the human related with that particular aura. Dear friends, as it is the healing series only, that's why I will not go in the detail. I will just touch the concept and I will move from it. Darker will be the aura, possibility of the more disease. Lighter will be the aura, possibility of the healthiness will be there. And let us understand with the examples. Dear friends, black to blue to lighter blue to red to yellow to white. This is the journey of the humanity from black to white, from black energy to white energy. This is the intended journey of the humans. Some of the human are at the black level, some of the human are at the blue level, some of the humans are at the red level, and very few people have attained the white aura. Thousands among the billions. Dear friends, this is the energy purity level or the aura level. Just like if we talk about the Lucifer, Antichrist, Dajjal, against the Messiah, against the Jewish Messiah, Kali demon, Kali Rakshash of the Hinduism, or any of the black entity. And if we do not want to go to the mythology, then Hitler, he have the pure black energies, because he wanted to wipe off millions or the billions of the persons. He want to murder, he was a murderer of millions of the persons, millions of the humans. That's why he was a demonic personality. So dear friends, whether you believe in the mythology, you are welcome. If not, the Hitler type of the person, they have the black energy, they have the black aura. The second one is, these are of the normal human, common human. Normal, they have the red type of the aura with them. And if someone is among the thousands, among the billion of the persons, this means they have the white aura. In nutshell, I can say black energy. Here are the 50 shades of the grey with the humans. Someone is of the darker grey, someone have the lighter grey, someone have very lighter grey. These are the zone of the humanity, and after that superhumanity comes. Dear friends, these are the pictures of some of the aura. Aura photography is possible, Kirlian photography is possible, and this is the bridge in between the science and spirituality. I love the person, my blessings are with them, whoever have invented the Kirlian photography or aura photography. Dear friends, this Kirlian photography is going to be boon for the humanity, by which I can capture white aura, black aura, dark aura, light aura, anything. Dear friends, you can easily see white aura personalities, white aura, light blue aura, green type of the aura, yellowish, minor red. But she is a good personality, I can say. That's it. She is a good personality. She have the potential to get rid the diseases. Another one. Let us see the darker auras. Dark aura means she is a girl. She has the very either black aura or very dark blue aura. This means she is very depressed personality. She have something very sorrow. She may have very black kind of the energies. That's why she will be prone to sickness or prone to disease. Dear friends, 99%, 100% in your own country, your own city, you can take of your own aura photograph or the Kirlian photograph. Kindly find that particular friend who is doing the aura photography or Kirlian photography, and kindly take your own aura picture, so that you can learn about your own inner level, your own inner energy level. Otherwise, from the outer side, you may be very whitish, very goody person. That's it. But you may be very demonic personality, you may be very satanic personality, you may be very you may be in the very depression, you may be prone to disease. So dear friends, I do not want to misguide you at all, but if you know about your own aura, then certainly you learn about your inner self, so that you can rise from that particular state, from that particular level. Dear friends, and I can guaranteedly say that white aura is very much useful for you, for your own life, to fight with the diseases and to fight with the black energies. Dear friends, one of the method is self-measurement is also possible. Energy purity level checking is also possible. Aura level checking is also possible by one very special method invented by this Praful Dave. This is just by chance, by luck. I haven't read it, but I have feel it. Yes, it works. This is called as a Praful Davi's sun gazing method. Sun is available in your country. You are available. That's why you can understand at any part of the world, at any part of any of the country. This is called as a Praful Davi's sun gazing method. And what is it? Let us see. Dear friends, this is the method to learn about self emotional level, self aura level, our own purity level, emotional purity level. We can see it in very small method, very easy method, very small technique. Let us see. But it will be work on our self only. I cannot learn the I cannot see the aura of other person by this method. Let us see it. What is the technique? See the sun with naked eyes for at least 5 to 10 seconds, depend on the self capacity, and suddenly and immediately put both of your palms in front of your eyes. See the sun with naked eyes for at least 5 to 10 seconds. After it, suddenly and immediately put both of your palms in front of your eyes, just like this person is doing. The first color you see in your closed eyes will be current level of your emotional level or aura level or purity level or heart purity level. See the sun, 5 to 10 seconds. Suddenly I will put both of the hand with me and close my eyes. The first blink of the color, repeating, first blink of the color, you will see something. And 90% chance is there you will see lighter blue or dark blue color. And if you are very sin loving person, then you may see the pure black color also. First blink of the color. I am not talking about 10 minutes, 5 minutes after. I am not talking about it. 5 to 10 seconds sun, first blink after my closed eyes. 90% of the person have the blue energy with them. Very few have the white or the greater than red level. And you can understand what is your own humanity level, your own aura level, your own energy level, your own energy purity level. This is for the energy purity level, not the energy quantity level. Let us see for the 1 second. Yes, in my words, as per the Jainism, black, dark blue or the blue, these are lesser human persons. They have less humanity in them, although they have the human body. The red is the first color by which our humanity gets started. This means a perfect human, and after that superhumans get started. Lesser humans, human red, red blood. This means red aura, red energy level. After that, the zone of the superhumans will be started. Dear friends, we have discussed how to know the aura level of ourselves, but how to see the aura of the other persons, how to see the energy purity level or the heart purity level in other persons. Let us see it. In the today's world, measurement of the others aura, others emotional purity is also possible. but it is available to the special humans only, because spirituality is not very much spread to the common man or the normal human, because it is a completely spiritual dark age. Dear friends, in the technology we have spread till some level, although not so much level, but some level we have reached the technology, but still there are the many stars beyond our suns. Technologically we have some level in the today's world, but in the field of the spirituality we are the duffers, we are living in the spiritual dark age, and we have to make this dark age to golden era, dark age to golden age, and this is our work. This is the work of the Zero to Infinity channel. This is the work of all the persons who love the positivity, good, Almighty, God, Messiah, Christ, and all the positive personalities. Dear friends, the children, one out of the box, I will not tell many things about it. Children have inherent capacity to see the aura and hence acting accordingly. It may be that an infant is weeping by just seeing you. You have to work on yourself. It may be possible that a child likes you, a child without a reason, he or she very comfortable with you. This means you may be a very good personality, you are a loving personality, your purity level is very good. Children are the indications. And these are the two good books referred by us. One thing is T. Lobsang Rampa is the writer, Third Eye. This is a very good book, very beautiful book. You can order on the Amazon or any of the website. Another one is, this is a Kindle book available on the Amazon. Techniques on the Preksha Dhyan. This is the Preksha Dhyan which I am talking, 6 type of the aura. You will very much learn about it in the Preksha Dhyan and the Shadleshya, 6 type of the auras. Dear friends, and this is the future. We have talked about the present scenario of the human and what is the future of the humans. Technological advancement can help us. Self-measurement is possible through aura photography or the Kirlian photography. You can just see the inner Praful Dabi, myself, label at the 12 August 2011. Near about 10 years ago, this was the level of the Praful. And this is just like the share market. It is not necessary that I have rise from this level. Humanity is just like a journey from the plus infinity to minus infinity, from the heaven to hell. That's why a person can go up to any purity level towards white or any impurity level towards black. But what was the fact on that particular day? This was getting captured by the aura photography or the Kirlian photography. You can see this you are seeing the outer Praful, white skin Praful or spectacle handling a person, yani just a outer aura, outer level of myself. But yes, this was the level of the inner level of the human or inner level of the Praful Dabi. And dear friends, by just footed, if you wear very good quality of the cloth, this doesn't make sure that your energy level, your inner conscious level is up to very high level. You may be of a good quality of the sinner, you may be a good quality of the black energy person, you may be anyone. That's why if you are a very good diplomat or a very good politician or a immortal politician, want to be very rich etc., and that too with the bribe or something, want to make the castles by the nation's money. You may be anyone. I have the humble request with all of you, kindly take a aura photography of you. Kindly take a Kirlian photography of you. Then only you will understand what is the exact your own humanity level. And dear friends, money cannot help, power cannot help, just your good karmas, just your good actions will help yourself. Dear friends, that's why I have a humble request to all the politicians, all the millionaires, all the billionaires, all my friends, all the persons who have the access to the aura photography or the Kirlian photography. Kindly take a aura photograph, kindly invest on yourself. And dear friends, you have seen in the earlier slide a common man, a common person's aura. But what about a great personality, a superhuman type of the personality aura? Yes, you can see it. And this is the historical picture. This was never captured in the history of the mankind at all. Because the Western or the Occidental world, like the Europe, USA, do not have the Buddha type person, do not have the Jesus Christ of the Jesus Christ level persons at this particular moment. And our India, our developing nation India, do not have the so much very advancement techniques like the Kirlian photography, aura photography at all. That's why this photo is very much historical. This is a very great photograph for complete mankind, I can say. This is a photo of the complete human, superhuman, who have the energies entering from the above, from the Sahasrara, 7th chakra. Energies getting increased, energies getting coming. He have the perfect circles of the chakras. Although I will not go in the very deep, but I can say this is the photograph or a photograph or the Kirlian photograph of a superhuman, and this is the photograph of a common human, superhuman. And yes, I can differentiate in between the good person, bad person by this. And many of the persons are one out of box concept, out of box talking. Although I am running short of the time, but still I want to cover this aspect. This is the correct time to cover this. Many of the persons are very much ambiguity they have. How I will know about the Messiah, or how I will learn whether it is a person who is Antichrist or Dajjal or some false Messiah. All the religions are just thinking about this very big question. Yes, you have the method by learning whether a person is Antichrist or whether is a person Christ level, or whether it is a person of good energies but not of the Christ level, whether there is a person with the black energy or demonic or satanic or wrong or negative personality. If a person have the lighter auras, he is a good person, you can believe on him. If a person have the darker aura, yes, you should get rid of him. It may be of the Antichrist also. It may have the Dajjal. He have the complete pure black energy. Dajjal, pure black aura. You can take a clear photography of Antichrist or Dajjal or false Messiah. This is the litmus test. This is the acid test. This is the golden test to test any of the person, whether it is a good personality or bad personality. You cannot differentiate a person Antichrist also can wear a foot boot. A Christ also may be in the foot boot. A normal human can be a same outer dressing, but a inner Kirlian photograph will clearly tell whether he is a good personality or whether he is a bad personality. Dear friends, this is the need of the hour by which we have to struggle. This is a very important technique. Kindly use it so that all the dilemmas can be sorted out. Dear friends, measurement of the others is possible through the aura photography or the Kirlian photography. And the technological advancement in the future, what we want, what help we need from the science. Science has given us the 5G. Science has given us the data, cheap data, fast data, 5G, 4G, 6G, etc., etc. Science has given us Zoom platform. Many of the things science has given. Now it is the time of the spirituality that it helps the science. Dear friends, if the spirituality is 1, science is 1, 1 and 1 can be the 11. Believe me, trust me, I am your friend. We invoke the scientists and the technocrats to make Kirlian photography possible through mobiles, so that a person can take a selfie and can learn about himself, whether on today I am at the darker aura or I am at the lighter aura. I especially request all the technocrats, all the engineers, all the doctors, kindly help the humanity by developing the Kirlian photography, by developing the aura photography, so that we can easily understand who is good person, who is bad person. And that is very important knowledge for complete humanity to save ourselves, to save our planet. By this method, we can take the selfie of our own inner dimension. Science should help the spirituality so that the Kirlian photography gets available to the common man. Kirlian photography is easily available in 100 of the person in our nation, but I really wish that should be available with each and every person, but without any filters. Dear friends, second, our dream, although it is a boasting, but it is a dream, and we have the every right to dream. A spiritual level of the human may so high that a common man can see the aura level of the self and the others, that too without Kirlian photography or without aura photography. We do not need of the Kirlian photography or the aura photography if we increase our energy, if at some level. More will be the energy, more will be the purity of the energy, more will be the balance of the energy, and yes, you can reach up to that level. Dear friends, once again one out of the box comment, not for the explanation. Death time predictions are also possible through aura photography or the Kirlian photography. Whether a person is going to die a natural death, repeating, natural death, not a accidental death or not a sudden death. Natural death can be predicted by the aura photography or the Kirlian photography well in the advance, because the death have black aura. Dear friends, let's go together to build our earth a very beautiful place. We are in the need of the volunteers who can do the experiments of the truth in his or her own life. If he or she get benefit from it, then only he or she should spread these experiments of the truth to all the humans, so that a healthy human society can be built. Kindly be the change which you want to see in the world. I especially invoke the doctors and the medical field friends to check the results of the healthiness techniques, described in the channel 0 to Infinity. Dear friends, the result checking after doing the experiment of the truth. No endless discussion without self-doing. First you have to do. If you have the doubt, your friend is available. If you haven't done anything, and if you want to do only the logical chit chat, sorry, your time is very precious, my time is very precious, kindly beg me. Dear friends, these are the spiritual science concept to make the Eden garden. These are the spiritual science concept to bring the Eden garden to the Mother Earth. These are the spiritual science concept to make this earth very beautiful and worth living. And I and you have to help to make this Mother Earth worth living. Dear friends, knowing is very good, but doing is always better. You may see hundreds of the web series on the Netflix or the Amazon or MX Player or the Disney, at the Disney. But if you are not doing, if you are not practicing the technique, then certainly these episodes of no use at all. The holistic body healing series for the world will be continued. Dear friends, at last, in the Armageddon, positive powers will win. The Armageddon in between the positive and the negative powers. At last, the world will be peaceful and will develop like the Eden Garden. The Eden Garden of the people, by the people and for the people, as said by the Abraham Lincoln. Let's go together. Dear friends, the Armageddon is strictly not in between the religions, not in between the nations. The Armageddon will not be in between the Israel or the Iran, Israel or China. The Armageddon, true Armageddon, will be in between the positive powers and negative powers. Positive spiritual powers and negative demonic satanic powers. And this time the Titanic will not sink in the Atlantic, 101% sure. Just like the Noah's Ark, we will touch the land. Dear friends, it is completely an individual choice whether you are with deity, positive energy, white energy, godly energy, or you are with demon, Satan, negative powers, black powers or satanic energy. Whether you are with Lord Kali, second coming of the Christ, Al-Mahdi, Jewish Messiah, or you are with Antichrist, false Messiah, Kalki demon, or negative personalities. It is completely your own individual choice whether you are with hell powers or whether you are with heaven powers. Dear friends, if you have any kind of the questions, doubt, feedback, suggestions or critics are there, that can be sent at the davi.praful@gmail.com. You may be the Homer Simpson from the Chicago, or you may be the Dr. Princess Jasmine from the Jerusalem. You may be any of my friend who is seeing this channel, this video. You may have any kind of the questions under this sky. This friend is always available for you. Dear friends, thank you very much for the watching. I, Praful Davi, bow to you.